Hello students, let us continue exercise 8.4 Introduction to Trigonometry. Question number 5. Now we discuss 9th part. Cosec A minus sin A, next bracket, sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Now take left hand side, cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A. This is your left hand side. Formula of cosec A is 1 upon sin A minus sin A upon 1. Bracket close. Next bracket, formula of sec A 1 upon cos A minus cos A upon 1. Now take LCM. Sin A divided by sin A we get 1, 1 1 ja 1 minus 1 sin A divided by 1 we get sin A multiply sin A multiply sin A, sin square A, bracket close. Take LCM, cos A divided by cos A we get 1, 1 1 ja 1 minus cos A divided by 1 we get cos A into cos A, cos A into cos A, cos square A, 1 minus cos square A. Formula of 1 minus sin square A is cos square A upon sin A, multiply. Formula of 1 minus cos square A is sin square A upon cos A. Sin A cancel by sin square A, cos A cancel by square. We get cos A into sin A. This is your left hand side. Now we write right hand side. Right hand side is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Now 1 upon formula of tan A is sin A upon cos A plus formula of cot A is cos A upon sin A. 1 upon, take LCM, cos A sin A, cos A sin A. Cos A divided by cos A we get sin A into sin A, sin square A, plus sin A divided by sin A we get cos A into cos A, cos square A. 1 upon formula of sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Formula of sin square A plus cos square A is 1 upon cos A sin A. Now 1 multiply reciprocal of 1 upon cos A sin A is cos A sin A upon 1. Right hand side is equal to cos A into sin A. Left hand side also cos A into sin A. So right hand side equal to left hand side and left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verify. Using some identity in this question, tan A equal to sin A upon cos A, cot A equal to cos A upon sin A, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Now question number 10th part. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. Now first we write first part of left hand side, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Now 1 plus tan square A as it is, 1 can we write 1 upon 1 plus cot square. Formula of cot square is 1 upon tan square A. 1 upon tan square A. Now take tan square A as LCM. we get tan square a plus 1. Tan square a plus 1 upon tan square a. Again repeat 1 plus tan square a as it is upon take tan square a LCM. 1 divided by tan square a, we get tan square a. Tan square a into 1 tan square a plus tan square a divided by tan square, we get 1. 1 1 ja 1. 1 plus tan square a into reciprocal of tan square a plus 1 upon tan square a, we get tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a cancel out. We get only tan square a. First part of left hand side is equal to tan square a. This is your first equation. Now second part of left hand side is 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square. 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus formula of cot a is 1 upon tan a whole square. Now 1 minus tan a upon take LCM tan a, we get tan a minus 1. Tan a minus 1 upon tan a. Now 1 minus tan a upon, now take minus common from tan a minus 1, we get 1 minus tan a upon minus tan a. Minus tan a. Now 1 minus tan a as it is. Reciprocal of 1 minus tan a upon minus tan a, we write minus tan a upon 1 minus tan a whole square. 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan a cancel out. We get minus tan a whole square. Minus tan a whole square. Again repeat. Take minus common from tan a minus 1. We get minus 1, that is plus 1. Plus tan a, we get minus tan a. And in denominator minus tan a. Tan a minus 1 upon tan a, can you write 1 minus tan a upon minus tan a. And reciprocal of 1 minus tan a upon minus tan a is minus tan a upon 1 minus tan a. 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan a cancel out, we get tan minus tan a whole square. Minus tan a whole square is plus tan square a. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we get left hand side of first part is equal to left hand side of second part is equal to right side tan square a. Hence proved. Now do question number 9th and 10th part of exercise 8.4 in your fair notebook. Thank you.